What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, another vlog. This week we're going to the shop for the MugenEL. We're going to be doing 100% an oil change because it needs one. But I'm going to see if I get to the tint and the bar for the mid sub, above the subframe, in the middle of the car, in the engine bay. The Garage 16 one that was gifted to us by Rick at Garage 16. Thank you, big homie. Oh, sorry about that. So I'm gonna see if we can get to those. Letting the MugenEL warm up, as you guys can see, full on winter mode. But it's actually a really nice day today. It's in the pluses. We got the Portugal hit flag on because we're celebrating our national country in the World Cup. What a time to be alive! World Cup during the holidays, it's amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Letting the MugenEL warm up. Gonna grab a coffee and then gas. Make our way there. And yeah, looking to make it an exciting vlog. We also got to data log the EL on the thermostat temps. I was driving with the boys 2 weeks ago. It was frigid out, and I was on the highway and I noticed my climate gauge dropping. So I'm assuming that because we have the MugenEL race thermostat, it doesn't like the cold temps. Also with the big aluminum radiator. So we're gonna data log, see what the temperatures drop to, and go from there. So see you guys on the road. All right, boys, so we switched to my handheld camera device, but it's for my phone. So we're gonna be using my phone for this little drive right now. So I'm gonna go grab a coffee, get gas, meet up with the subscriber Yuri. He's coming with me to Mercer's. He's gonna meet Mercer for the first time. And you know, I kind of want to give you guys some in-car, you know, footage. A couple pulls. It's a beautiful day out there. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, they put the speed camera on my street. Gotta be extra careful now. Right? How slow that is. Man, that sucks. And like it catches a far distance, so I'm coming up to the stop sign and it catches just from, well, you guys can't see from here, but it's like a little turn. It catches all the way to that little turn. It sucks. Anyways, guys, I got so much planned. Next video, I'm doing an install. It's like a review install for the CR-V. It works on 7 gens. It works on any car, any model, but this particular one is going to be for the CR-V. But I'm excited because you guys are going to be benefiting a lot off of it. And when I mean a lot, a good portion of it. So once I get the package, which is set to arrive either today or Monday, then next week, since I'm going to vlog, wow, I'm going to do an oil change and transmission service on the CR-V at Mercer's. I can use that time to be indoors and do this like 2-second install and review for this company, and then I can give you all the deets and help you guys, because you guys have been supporting the channel for 3 years now, and I appreciate you guys. So yeah, man, like, this is a big accomplishment. I'm super happy, so I'm excited to share with you guys next week everything and giving back to you guys.
15 minutes later.
All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. The homeboy Mercer just got the oil change done. We're here with Yuri, big supporter of the channel. Thank you for always supporting. You're always welcome to hang out with us. You know this. David is going to town. Yes, we are doing the purple laminate tint on the headlights. Give the EL a slightly different look. David is kind of a master at this. He's done his TLX and various other cars.
What about Mason?
No, I can't show Mason.
Oh no?
Children, bro, children. Unless it's my own children.
Damn you, YouTube.
Damn you, YouTube. But yeah, little Mason, I'll show you from afar. He's blocked by the hood. Little Mason's here. David's youngest son, only son. David, if you know because of earlier conversation. Hey, we know what we saw earlier. We know what we saw. And on the table, we got the Garage 16 brace that I tried to put on for the Import Expo show, but was unfortunately unable to because this bolt seized, and because our good friend Kev has the proper toolage. He is going to help us out by removing the strip bolt, and we are going to be doing 2 installs. Those installs for those who are Mexican, and we're gonna have a good time. All right, guys, so it's a beautiful Saturday, like I told you guys earlier in the video. We did some pulls. We got some soccer going on. Neither of our countries are playing, but we love soccer, so we'll have soccer in the background. And David is going to, yo, that looks fire. I think that looks good, bro. Yeah, when they're on at nighttime. If I have a little bit left over, I'm probably gonna wrap those too. Alright guys, so big shout out to the homeboy David. That wasn't even on camera. Oops, here we go. Hi. Big shout out to the homeboy David. He did a great job. Yes, Mercer is in the middle of doing 2 things. One, he's posing, butt to the air, and taking the old bolt out.
Calvin Klein model.
Yeah, you definitely are a Calvin Klein model.
Yeah, their sales are gonna go up.
Yeah, look at that. Perfect. But yeah, the headlights came out phenomenal. They look a lot better, and they shouldn't be turning yellow. I do have an extra set that maybe I'm going to retrofit. I've always wanted to try it, so why not? But definitely looks great. Nice contrast on the silver. Kevin is in the midst of removing these...
Battling these seized bolts.
Wow, man. Yeah. Guys, here's that crusty old bar. As you guys can see, I tried to paint it to hide the little rust there. Nice. I did. Well, I couldn't get it out for the show, right? But that is some crustiness right there.
Dude, you painted over all the dirt.
I did. It was just a quick time thing.
Good job, man.
Oh, also Diogo's here. As you guys can see,
a lot of noise, man. Yeah, man.
Angry, man. You guys can see that is not burnt. That's black paint that I put there. With that being all cleaned up now.
You got in my car!
Alright guys. You see Mercer's placing the bar.
There goes NSX.
Try to get you the look. There you go. Right there, as you guys can see. It's nice and Nardo gray, just like going on the ES1. Looks phenomenal. and it's more sturdy than the OEM one. So just gotta put the bolts in it, and then we should be good and done with today's vlog. All right, boys, we have the new Garage 16 bar inside. It's a little dark in here. Where's that flashlight? All right, guys, there it is. It looks phenomenal. Thank you, Rick, for the gift. Appreciate it. Looks phenomenal. Like I said, the headlights, David did a great job. The purple really does look good on the silver. And now no more yellow crusty headlights. Looking good. Basically, we're not going to do a data log on the car because we already know that it's a thermostat, it's a race stat, it's going to open up earlier. Plus a big cooler of a fridge of a radiator is going to keep the car temps down. So what I'm going to do is just going to put a cardboard in behind here, like Mercer suggested, just to keep the top half of the rad on the warmer side, and that should help with the temps when I'm driving in frigid weather. And that's going to be it. Guys, car looks phenomenal with these purple headlights. Shout out to Mercer for coming in clutch with the strut bar. That was a pain in the ass to come out, even for him. Diogo showed up. Yuri's been hanging out. Oh fuck, this guy just disappeared on me. Houdini. Inder, last minute showed up like always. Inder, say hi to the vlog. That's not hi, bro. You just like, there you go. Yeah, you call it? Yeah, you are. I'm not gonna even say that. He has his own car now. Diogo has his own car. He has an Audi Beetle.
That's a Beetle.
Huh?
That's only a Beetle.
It literally looks like a Beetle.
It does, yeah.
But no, it's a sick car. Audi. It's already got some mods onto it.
It's got X3 wheels. You like it?
Is that what that is?
They're from a viewer.
Yo, look at the size of those tires.
Yeah,
bro.
they're rough. Like crazy.
I can imagine. But yeah, he's got some bolt-ons onto it. He's got an exhaust. Test pipe, downpipe.
Downpipe, yeah, and then it has a leak.
Oh, is that why it sounds like you have an exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you actually did an exhaust.
There is a downpipe. There's 3.
I know you did downpipe, but I thought you did the exhaust.
Yeah, halfway it's all stuck.
Oh,
But
so
when I welded it at the unit, I just
okay.
tacked it and welded it.
You just left it alone.
Yeah, because he's gonna do an exhaust.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I don't care.
And he upped the boost on it.
There's a boost control.
And now he needs a clutch.
There's only pretty much a filter and a downpipe.
A filter that came from this machine is on this machine.
Yeah.
See?
And,
silver on silver crimes.
and then there's only ignition controls today. Alright.
Yeah, the main focus is the Mark IV Gen.
Yeah. Now I got a clutch.
Yeah. And there's just being in there, low key, working man. Guys, that's it for this vlog. Next week, like I said, the next video will be on the CRV. I have something to review, but also going to be benefiting you guys, which will help you guys. So stay tuned to next week's video. Guys, do me a favor, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys like the tint on the EL like I do. Like, it looks phenomenal, dude. And Forza Portugal. Peace.